You are watching Shayna-Renee.
What's up, you guys? My name is Shayna-Renee, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses, if you must, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel where we have a great time over here. I do fashion videos, DIYs, lip sync DIYs, dance video, reviews, and a bunch of random videos that you might like, so you should stick around and watch and subscribe. Don't forget about subscribing. So today I wanted to come to you guys with a package that I've gotten and I'm excited about it. It's a PR package and I got it from Laura Mericer. So that is what I'm going to be reviewing today. So like I said, I got this PR package from Laura Mericer and I want to show you guys what I got and how I feel about it. So I got their Tinted Moisturizer blush and I got two of them, y'all. I'm excited to show you guys how they look. So I've been using it for a month now and I absolutely love it. I definitely feel like it is a moisturizing product, as well as I feel like it is a great product, especially for the summer, because it is very lightweight and it is easy to use. I'm going to show you Coastline because this is my favorite and it's thebomb.com. So I already have some on, so you can see, get it up close. You see the cheeks snatched. So I have some on. I did some pictures earlier and I was in the sun and my face still looks really, really good. Now I'm going to show you this with this on top so you can see that it is buildable, as well as I'll probably cut to where I have no makeup on and I'm putting it on for the first time. So that way you can see how it looks without makeup, because you can wear this product with and without makeup, and I think that is amazing. So for this, they ask you to put one dab or two dabs and tap, 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 pat, pat, pat with your fingers and you're good to go. So that's what we're going to do today. So it's a little messy because, like I said, I've been using this. I feel like it's a lot in here. So yeah. So I'm going to dab two little dabs on my fingers. No, one. It comes out a lot, so you got to be careful. This is how much we're using right now. I'm going to show you. Y'all see already how much I have on, and let's see how much the cheekbone is going to change. So when you first put it on, it's going to look like it's a lot, but it's going to blend in and it's going to look really, really good. So tap, tap, tap. You want to make sure when you do this, you start with a little bit, because you don't want to do too much and then you just don't like it. But I'm going to show y'all. So like I said, I already have some on, so now we're just going to build on top of that, and you're still going to see that it's going to look great. And you can definitely use as much as you want. This is going to give more of a dramatic effect because it's a lot of blush, but sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. But right now, I want to do a full look. So this is how it looks. This is the first side with less blush, and this is with more. Get a little close up. I think it looks great. We're gonna do the other side now. Ooh, don't come out a lot. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna dab. So what I like to do is I like to work from the top of my cheek and go up like this, where the line is, where the cheek sits, and it's gonna look snatched. I like to go up there, and then from there, then I come back around and I put it a little bit on my cheek. Sometimes I like it just back here, and then sometimes I like it on the cheek. Today I had it on the cheek to give more of a rosy effect, so that's what I did. And boom, it literally sinks into your skin and it looks perfect, and I love it so much. I feel like it's definitely a good product to use for the summer, as well as even if it's not the summer, but it is very lightweight, like I said. So I think it is a great product that keeps your face looking good, moisturized, and snatched. I am going to swatch the other one on my hand so that way you guys can see. Actually, I'm gonna swatch both of them. So this is the first one. I don't use it as much, as you can see. So I'm gonna put it on here, little dab. Come on, there we go. So this is the first one, which is Province. Hopefully I'm saying it right. I'm gonna use a finger that has nothing on it so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is it. Now I'm just gonna rub it in a little bit more so you can see how it's just gonna blend in and sit in the skin. And like I said, it makes it a little bit harder for me to want to use this one because it is like a little lighter. But as you see, it's getting blended in, and this is how it looks. And now we're gonna go back to my baby. I'm only gonna use a little bit because I don't want to waste this product on my hand because I love it so much. There we go. Just a little bit. Now I'm gonna dab that in. All right, let me not be stingy so I can really see. Ooh, that's a lot. So there it is. Little dab, 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 rub, rub, rub. All right. I love this already. So let me put this down. So these are both of them. Which one do you like better? Right side, my favorite, or the left side? Let me know what you guys think about it. I think these products are great. If you try it, please tag me and let me know how do you feel about them. I really wanted to do this review because I like the product, and y'all know I love to give y'all feedback on products that I do like or I don't like. And I don't remember seeing a lot of dark skin girls or black girls really review this, so I wanted to show it on my skin so you guys can know how it might look on your skin. So if you want to see more from me, please feel free to comment down below and let me know your thoughts and your opinions, and let me know if there's something else that you would love to see from me, because I might not even mind doing it for you. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to show love, and don't forget to share. I will see you in the next one. Later.